Hello guys, it's Hemant signing in here and I hope you guys are doing good. And it's Mr. Anderson from TechCraze, and today I'm going to review the ancient OS on the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see that the ROM is very fluid, smooth. As you can see, as always, the ROM is being built for the Redmi Note 7 Pro itself, and everything is just working fine here. You can see the UI is pretty smooth. We are getting 60 FPS. We have the FPS info options in quick setting panel and stuff. And you can see that the setting panel is stuff just like the Samsung UI, and the notification panel is also the Samsung UI like style if you noticed it. And this is highly customizable ROM. Don't think that it's not customizable. It's a really much customizable ROM. And we have the March 5, 2020 security patch with the latest Google Play updates and all, and we have civil 6 permissive and all, and it's running Android 10. Android R will be coming soon. We don't know. I don't know any news about that. Anyway, if it came, I will update. So if you want, you can check that notification bell up there. And this is the Inside OS logo in there. You can see that here. And as I told you, this is the Android 10 version. You can see, and this is the default wallpaper we get in this ROM. We don't have any live wallpaper present, but we have the live wallpapers, a static wallpaper available in the wallpapers section here. And I've noticed some issues that the battery life was very low of this ROM, and the gaming performance is but excellent. And Gcam video mode doesn't work, and AX camera I didn't try. This is a quick review, so I will be bringing the full review soon. But wait, I will be showing PUBG mobile video in this one, so wait till end. And you can see the ROM is just working fine without any lags, and for the day-to-day usage it's absolutely excellent. But the only issue is the battery life. So if you want better battery life, you may switch to a kernel, but it's experimental. And you can see in ancient features, that is the main features of this ROM. We have this much amount of customizations here. It's not bad, it's not less, it's good. You can see in status bar option, we have the VoLTE icons. We can change the VoLTE icons. We can add the 4G icons in there, and we have also an option for enable the status bar, headphones, and also we can change the QS battery style and stuff. We can change the battery inside, or we can choose if we want that battery outside itself. And it's just fine, and everything is just working fine out of the box. Everything is good. And in themes also, we have the fonts, body color, headlines, everything is working just fine. And in the customization option, I didn't find any bug, frankly. I'm saying that you can see that everything is just fine. Gestures, lock screen, navigation bar, all customization are there. If you want, you can just flash it and you can just see, or just wait for another build to come. The battery life is not that good here. I asked the dev, he said that he will be fixing it soon in the next build, so you can wait that till that ROM comes. And let's quickly check out the fingerprint speed we get in this ROM. You can see that it's just absolutely okayish. I won't say that it's pretty good, but it's okayish, I would say. You can see the fingerprint speed is okay. Compared to other ROMs, it's just something less. The fingerprint speed is just less than other ROMs, but still, it's first build, I think. Then it will be okay. After next build, we can see how it performs. I will be bringing a full review of this ROM when the next update comes. There is no sense making that if we just full review the first build of the ROM itself. So wait for the second build, and we are good to go. And you can see that the camera quality is just fine, but as I told, the video mode is not at all working yet. So maybe in the next update it will get fixed, and we can also shoot videos in that. I don't know if we disable the video stabilization option, we will be available to get the video option mode or not. I am not sure, you can check that. And I am using Gcam 7.3, and I am saying that the Gcam 7.3 is not included out of the box. We have the Snapdragon camera available. And let's quickly check out the app open speed soon, so we'll get a rough idea about how the device performs in the UI if you are not a gamer. So I'm on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, and another app, YouTube. it load properly. Instagram. Yeah. Now YouTube Studio, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I already got something like 404 subscribers. Let's hit 500 soon. Now let's open the apps which we opened earlier. You can see that everything is just working fine, and but a signal I didn't open, and every app is in the RAM itself, and I have the 4GB 64GB variant if you don't know. It's just fine and no issues whatsoever. Every apps are in the background, multitasking is good, battery life is but slightly low, and the battery charging speed is also low. So it's kind of frustrating for some users. I also faced the same frustration, but let's wait for the next update then. And we also have the dark mode, and we also can schedule it for the later user. I am shooting this video on 60 FPS, so you can absolutely get idea what I am talking about, the smoothness. And we also have the option to change the header image, and I like the most is the VoLTE icon changing option available in this ROM. You can see that we can change the VoLTE icon in here. We have 4 to 5 VoLTE icons available, including that of the MIUIs. Grab one and you're good to go. If you like one, then choose it. If you don't like, just throw it. And it's the same case in the customization option. If you want to customize, you can do it. If you don't want, then just stay there. Who cares? Now let me quickly show you the boot logo of this device. I mean the ancient OS ROM. It's good, and I wouldn't say it's bad. It's good. Redmi by Xiaomi. Bootloader unlocked. And if you don't know, I am using Orange Fox Recovery, the latest one. Here our logo, the ancient OS logo itself. And it's written ancient family. It's good. And let me grab the phone and quickly unlock it for you guys. We are getting 59.234, and we are getting constant 60 or 59 FPS for sure. And for Snapdragon 675 is no more bad. It's very good. And here's the 60 FPS gameplay I am doing in the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And if you guys don't know, I have recently installed Hackintosh in my laptop. So if you want, any guys want tutorial about Hackintosh, Mojave or High Sierra or any Catalina, or if you want help, I can help. I recently installed, I fixed every drivers and stuff. If you want, you can just come in my WhatsApp group and ask for doubt. We can discuss in other groups and let your device get fixed. So you can also run Hackintosh on your laptop or PC. So let's get back to the point. Here the gameplay is very smooth. You can see I am already landed to the house. Now let's quickly go to the get a gun. You can see that the feel is just another level. The 60 FPS gameplay is just working fine. I am using gyroscope, scope only mode. You can also enable fully mode, so you can just enjoy by using TPP itself. And I'm saying that gyroscope works perfectly fine in this device. but you can compare it in you can't compare it to the high-end devices like OnePlus, but for the price range it's just okay, as the Redmi Note 7 Pro's price has dropped already, so you can grab one if you like. You can just see the performance, and if you like you can just buy it from Flipkart after the lockdown is over if it's available. And you can see I am opening the scope FPP mode and it's just not lagging. It's just staying locked on 59 FPS, if you can see. And let me enable always on gyroscope for you guys, so you can get an idea if it's lagging or something. See, I'm using a gyroscope itself and it's not lagging at all. Now let's quickly kill an enemy itself. You can see I easily killed an enemy. Now let's go and take his loot. I'm not going to do a full gameplay or something. I'm just stopping by here. I'll be doing a full gameplay review. If you want, you can comment down below which ROM should I install and what settings should I put. I can make a dedicated video on that if you want, but you should comment on that if you want. So that's it for this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you don't get any notification from me. I mean, you should press the bell icon. Okay, bye for now and see you soon.